that part of the vlog.
Sino mas seat sa front seat? We're riding in Tita Sue's new car and I'm driving.
Kapoy na ka! Kapoy na ka!
Oo, kanina sa banyo, ang ano na grabe. Ito ba hibi siya?
Ha!
Ito ba tulong yun?
Marilyn's place is here coming.
The bloom ang fire tree.
Ano?
Getting out of the way. Oh, ito sila, ha?
Our carriage. A prinsesa may carriage.
Dala yung bagi ko. Open the door.
Hello.
Yeah. Dahil pagulong ko. Hindi pa siya ready. Hindi ka ready na.
Wow, so pretty.
Wow. Una ang ginainom.
Ah.
Thank
Okay.
you. Lemonade.
Thank you.
Because you drank milk. Gatas. Told ya. Gatas.
What did you say, Tita Rose?
Liwat na tao na ni Kero. Sige na.
Majet, kita bladad. Sige na, ikaw kagidan.
Oo, Tita Isa ko na mabayad. Oo, ang balya. Tita Isa. Somebody
Claiming.
is taking your offer.
Manifesting.
Are you offering? The what? The jet ski.
Oo, na. Ma-jet ski si Ay, hindi si ma-jet ski ko na sila si Tita Isa mabayad. Oo. Sige, yung balik din na. Kung gusto ko, need, nakasakay na ako sa jet ski. Ari sila na doon. Pero if you rent it out.
So hindi na lang sa mag-island hopping?
Hindi. Doon nagpapandi asukar. Nandun na sa sunod to.
15 minutes from here.
We can do that on the jet ski.
One by one. Isa lang na yan, jet ski. Hindi ako yung kaso sa ako niya. Huwag hindi kaso sa ako.
Pwede yung jet ski, pwede mag-island hopping. Because while you're riding the jet ski, you follow the motorboat.
Yeah.
For island hopping. That's fun, right?
Piliin kayo. Piliin ko din.
Yeah, sounds cool.
Tapos mahulog ka sa lamod.
Galing ka tiyan jet ski, pila na yung minutes, yeah?
Come on, Bess.
Pilang jet ski ka minutes?
Are like 50 to 30.
We have to ask first. This is our ride.
It's where... Sa? Galing ko, nungkad ko. Fountain.
Nanigin mo on the stairs. We should tap it.
way to Subic.
Oh,
Yes. And then from Subic, they would go around Palawan on a boat.
This is our ride. And that is them. I asked them. I thought it was pan de azúcar. No, not pan de azúcar. Pwede na ma-adjust. There you go. Very good.
Kasi kanina nag-go na jet ski. May ice cream tayo. Grabe.
Tanugon. To show the Philippines. This is so sad. This is so sad, you know.
Kay Marie.
Oo, wala na yung rason niya. Wala sila habang basura. Nakon mong Pinoy, kailangan mo.
This is so depressing. This is so depressing. Whoever is, you have to educate the people around here. You cannot stop this just by cleaning. Everybody has to be educated.
That's the island. Ang likod sinao. Ito ang island.
What's the name of this place? Oo.
Dapat ako lang under the towel sa ibang bag. Para hindi mo
Government owned.
I don't think so. Now what island are we in?
Nasa Boracay?
Pansin.
Na, nung parang yun. Nag-ara pa na sila.
Hi, Tita Rose. Where are we right now? What island
Right
is
in
this?
front of Panda Sukar. Can you please reverse the camera?
Show Pande Azúcar.
Reverse.
Okay.
There you go.
There's Pande Azúcar. Didn't we went there last month? Was that 2 months ago?
No,
Or a month ago?
a month ago.
And the gang is over there.
Now, yeah.
With the background. Nice. There. Oh, never seen that
How much? Jets.
Look at the thing and then this pool. Init. Warm.
Go.
Margarita.
Sa Margarita.
Let's order crispy pata.
By the pool? Infinity pool man kita to sa Boracay. Daw ang man ni Dilo.
Yeah.
Nag-face kita na brown. Pero siyempre, masuksok ko na yung shirt.
We get out of here.
Ligid-ligid.
Tsunami! But then, pila pa ka hours before you can get...
DILG.
Or something. May meeting sila sa dira sa Teresa's Plaza. Dason, ang may assist, ano to, VP. Dili siya sa mo na. Nagtindog siya kay makadto siya sa banyo. He went to the banyo. Pag ninog, tanan to sa table nga gina kung kuan niya patay.
Swerte lang dito.
Swerte gid siya. You know, he was stuck. He was stuck. Si Connie, bukod ni ko reports sa banyo, na-stuck siya to. So, ang giha lang ko nung pag-collapse sa iyang window.
Pinakbet with crispy lechon, kawan, awan.
He stayed there for pila ka. Okay. Hasta pag-days.
Oh my God.
Crispy pata. Yara ko dito nga sa basement. He was drinking his own drink. Sabi ko na.
Oh!
No jet ski available. Ganito gamitin nila.
Si Kilian. Oh!
Tita is
This is the life.
Here we are in Concepcion, Iloilo. Ano tingin nga niya?
Ikazaiya.
Kasaya. That's the sunset.
Beautiful sunset.
It's a beautiful, beautiful sunset.
Pililit lang.
Pero hindi natin sila